Many gardeners are puzzled when their plants fail to thrive, even with careful watering and fertilizing. The real issue often lies hidden in the soil, where nutrients are present, but locked away. It's like a kitchen full of ingredients, but no one to cook. This happens when soil loses its living community of microbes. Overuse of chemicals, tilling, or neglect destroys this web of life. Dead soil can't hold water or air, making it hard for roots to grow. Plants are left stranded, unable to access what they need. Healthy soil is alive, and that life is essential for a thriving garden. To grow strong plants, we must first restore life to the soil. The secret to a thriving garden is the invisible world of microbes in healthy soil. Bacteria, fungi, and other tiny organisms break down nutrients, making them available to plants. They act as nature's chemists, transforming compost, manure, and fertilizers into plant food. Fungi weave networks that bind soil, creating structure and air pockets for roots and water. This living network helps soil hold moisture and drain excess water, keeping roots healthy. Microbes also protect plants by crowding out harmful pathogens and producing natural antibiotics. A diverse microbial community forms a living shield around roots, defending against disease. Plants surrounded by these helpers grow stronger, healthier, and more resilient. Without microbes, soil is just dust, lifeless and unproductive. The real gardeners are these unseen heroes beneath our feet. Nurturing them is the key to a vibrant, productive garden. Reviving soil life doesn't require expensive products, just simple starch. Microbes thrive on the sugars in starchy water, like from rinsing rice or boiling potatoes. Collect this water in a clean jar, cover loosely, and let it ferment in a warm, dark place. In a few days, it will bubble and smell sweet-sour, signs of active microbes. When the smell is pleasant, dilute 1 part fermented liquid with 20 parts water. Water your soil with this brew to introduce beneficial microbes. It's easy, free, and uses what you already have at home. This simple method brings life back to your garden, 1 jar at a time. Apply your diluted microbe liquid early morning or evening to protect the microbes from harsh sun. Pour it directly onto damp soil at the base of your plants, focusing on the root zone. Avoid spraying leaves. The real benefit comes from inoculating the soil. Make sure the soil isn't bone dry. Moisture helps microbes travel into the earth. Unlike compost, which takes months, this method delivers instant microbial life. Visible results can appear in just a week or 2. Leafy greens and fruiting plants often show the first signs of improvement. Deeper greens, stronger growth. Gardeners report more robust flowering and healthier plants overall. The transformation is quick and dramatic. Your plants will finally get the nourishment they've been craving. For best results, always apply the liquid to moist soil, never dry or compacted ground. Use your fermented liquid within a day or 2. If it smells rotten, discard and start fresh. Don't mix this living brew with chemical fertilizers or pesticides, as they can kill beneficial microbes. Freshness and natural methods are key to success. By using this simple technique, you're not just feeding plants, you're restoring the soil's life. This approach reduces reliance on costly chemicals and reconnects us with nature's cycles. Every gardener can become a steward of the earth beneath their feet. The best solutions are often the simplest and most accessible. Try it, share it, and help revive gardens everywhere. Healthy soil means healthy plants and a healthier planet. The revival starts with you.